Hello, young learners. Creative writing means making stories from your imagination. Creative writing is fun, free, and full of your own ideas. Every great story has 4 main parts. 1. Character. 2. Setting. 3. Problem. 4. Solution. Characters are the people or animals in your story. They can be anything. The setting is where and when the story happens. Every story needs a problem. Something goes wrong. How is the problem solved? That's the ending. Example story. Character. Lena is a girl who can talk to birds. Setting. Lena lives in a treehouse on a mountain. Problem. The birds disappear one day. Solution. Lena follows the sound and saves the birds from a storm. Are you ready, kids? Now follow the steps and start writing. Step 1, brainstorming blast. Encourage kids to think about things they love. What's something super cool you'd want to write about? Step 2, choose your main character. Ask them to choose or invent a character. Oh, who is the star of your story? What do they look like? What do they love to do? Step 3, pick a place. Is your story in a faraway land? Or maybe even your own backyard? Step 4, add some action. Think about what happens in the story. What's the exciting thing that happens to your character? What adventure do they go on? Step 5, draw and write. Combine art and writing. Use your words and pictures to tell your amazing story. Step 6, share your story. Encourage them to share their work. Read your story to a friend or your family. What? Well done, kids! You are now a storyteller. If you liked the video, subscribe, like, and share.